Unit 1, Lesson 4. Track 3. Whose scrapbooks are these? Band 1. Listen and check your answers.
Number 1 is Amna's. Number 2 is Muna's. Number 3 is Maysam's. Number 4 is Rashid's. Number 5 is Jasim's. Number 6 is Ardal's.
Band 2. Listen and read.
I'm Maysam. In my spare time, I like finding out about other countries. I have lots of pictures and stamps. I ask everyone to keep their stamps for me. Scrapbook 3 is mine.
I'm Ardal. Someday I want to go to Africa. Then I can take my own photos of the animals. For now, I have to look for pictures and cut them out. Scrapbook 6 is mine.
I'm Rashid. I want to be a pilot. I'm very interested in planes and flying, so you can guess what I collect. Scrapbook 4 is mine.
I'm Amna. I enjoy collecting pictures of plants and flowers from around the world. I love the colours and shapes. Scrapbook 1 is mine. I'm Muna. I'm interested in birds. In my spare time, I take photos. Then I try to find out the names of the birds. Scrapbook 2 is mine.
I'm Jasim. I play it. I watch it on television. I go to matches. So you know whose pictures I collect. Scrapbook 5 is mine.